Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how I trim my hair between regular professional trims. I always know it's time to trim when my ends get really thin and stringy and they start to break off when they're either pulled or when I wrap them around my fingers. My trim point is always right before it begins to thin. I'm always sure not to cut too much hair off because, like I said, I'm not a professional, but the little amount that I do cut off helps with making my styles neater, especially for wash and goes and twisted styles, and it does help to reduce some of the breakage and shedding that happens when I'm trying to style my hair. And there you have it. That's how I trim my hair in between my professional trims. You can see my hair is nice and even and full at the bottom. Thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to catch my next video.